Good morning to everybody. This is B. Sandhya Rani, working as chemistry JL in AP Balayogi Gurukulam School at Wangara. How are you, students? I believe you are healthy. Okay, our respected DCO madam taken good decision for us. Okay, students. Now I would like to explain about catalysis in surface chemistry. Okay, students. Firstly, what is a catalyst? What is a catalyst? Catalyst mean substance which accelerate the rate of a slow chemical reaction, but whose chemical nature and mass remain unchanged after the reaction, are known as catalyst, and the phenomenon is known as catalysis. So accelerate the rate of slow chemical reaction. So catalyst mean speed of slow chemical reaction. Speed of slow chemical reaction. Okay, students. So wait. Dear students, please see this picture. So catalyst used for increases of speed. Increases of speed. And another one, how does a catalyst work? How does a catalyst work? So dear students, please this picture. How does a catalyst work? Catalyst works providing an alternative pathway. So light pathway and yellow pathway. So light pathway is without catalyst. Yellow pathway presence of catalyst. So catalyst works providing an alternating pathway for this reaction. This alternating pathway has lower activation of energy. Okay, lower activation of energy. So another one, dear students, please observe. So please observe reactants and products. So reactants and products. So please observe this picture. First, blue pathway. Blue pathway is without the catalyst, and red pathway is the with catalyst. With catalyst. You can see here catalyst lower activation energy. Lower activation energy. Okay, lower activation energy. Dear students, catalysis broadly two types. Catalysis can be broadly divided into two types. So first one is homogeneous catalyst and another one is heterogeneous catalyst. First one is homogeneous catalyst and another one is heterogeneous catalyst. First one, homogeneous catalyst. Homogeneous catalyst. So homogeneous catalyst, when the reactants and the catalyst are in the same phase. Reactants, when the reactants and catalyst is the same phase. Same phase. So dear students, please observe this reaction. Oxidation of sulfur dioxide. Oxidation of sulfur dioxide in presence of oxides of nitrogen converted into sulfur trioxide. Converted into sulfur trioxide. Here one thing students, here one thing to know. What is reactant, what is catalyst and product. Okay. Reactant mean SO2 plus O2. So reactant mean the substance to the left of the arrow mark. Left of the arrow mark. And product mean a substance to the right of the arrow mark in chemical equation, in chemical reaction. So catalyst mean above arrow mark, above, present in above arrow mark. Okay. So now homogeneous catalysis. Homogeneous catalysis mean reactant and catalyst in the same phase. So reactant mean SO2 reactant and O2 also reactant. SO2 reactant is gas phase and O2 reactant is gas phase. At the same time NO catalysis mean catalyst is gas phase. So dear students, please observe definition. When the reactants and catalyst in the same phase. So reactants and products. So reactants, product in the same phase. So said to be homogeneous catalysis. Homogeneous catalysis. So the reactants sulfur dioxide and oxygen, the catalyst nitric oxide all are the same phase. All are the same phase. So another example. Methyl acetate reacted with H2O. So methyl acetate liquid phase, H2O liquid phase, and HCl catalyst also liquid phase. So homogeneous, both reactants and catalyst are same phase. So this is homogeneous catalysis. And heterogeneous catalysis, when the reactants and catalyst different phase. When the reactants and catalyst in the different phase is known as heterogeneous catalysis. So please observe equations. So sulfur dioxide, oxidation of sulfur dioxide converted into sulfur trioxide in presence of platinum. So dear students, sulfur dioxide gas phase and platinum PTN catalyst is solid phase. So the reactants in the gas state while the catalyst platinum is solid state. So reactants and catalyst both are different phases. So is known as heterogeneous catalysis. And another example, nitrogen and hydrogen converted into ammonia in presence of iron. So nitrogen gas state and another reactant to hydrogen also gas state, and iron is solid state. So reactants and catalyst both are different phases. So is known as heterogeneous catalysis. Thank you students. Thank you students.